You got a video playing, everything looks sharp, visuals are perfect, but the room is completely silent. No music, no voices, nothing. You tap the volume key again, double check the player, maybe even restart the video, and still not a single sound. That's when it gets confusing because nothing looks wrong. If you are using an LG monitor, audio problems like this usually come from how the signal is being handled, not necessarily a fault with the screen itself. Sometimes the monitor doesn't even have built in speakers, so there's nowhere for the sound to come from. Other times, your system is sending audio to a completely different device in the background, like Bluetooth headphones or another output you forgot about. There are also cases where the cable you're using isn't carrying audio properly, or the monitor's internal volume is set too low or muted. And yeah, driver or system settings can quietly block audio without giving any obvious notification. So instead of assuming something's damaged, you just want to trace where the sound is getting lost. These are the fixes. 1. Confirm your LG monitor has built in speakers or an audio output option. 2. Open your computer's sound settings and select the correct output device. 3. Increase volume both on your system and inside the monitor menu. 4. Check your HDMI or DisplayPort cable is properly connected and supports audio. Number 5. Disconnect other audio devices that might be taking priority. 6. Update or reinstall audio drivers if the issue continues.